The number of global coronavirus cases has surpassed over 121 million, while the pandemic has claimed nearly 2.7 million lives so far. North Korea says it won't start nuclear discussion until the US drops its hostile policies. Lebanon President asks Hariri to form a cabinet or go. Saudi Arabian Ministry of Hajj has announced that domestic pilgrims between the ages of 18 and 70 will be allowed to perform Umrah with preventive protocols of coronavirus. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres has appointed veteran French diplomat Jean Arnault his envoy to Afghanistan. The Gulf Cooperation Council has called upon the international community to play its role in stopping terrorist attacks launched by Yemen Houthi militia. 9 people were killed in an army helicopter crash in Afghanistan. Pakistan, US, Qatar and China to participate in a peace conference in Moscow today.